Here's our little setup. We have the both crystals. Well, we actually just need the one crystal for the frequency photos and also the black hollows. But we have two, just because this one been there since since we started doing the black hollows. But that's the little setup we got. This is what we're doing here. And I'm also hitting it myself as they being made, so you guys can do the same thing and heal the world as fast as we can, heal the people around us as fast as we can, especially those that accept the healing, because not everybody accepts this stuff because they're just slow. There's no other way to put it. They're just slow and they just don't know shit. Anyway, that being said, that's my little setup. We got the tank, the Epson tank, and we have the HP Studio Sprocket Studio. For those of you that are using the new frequency crystal, I would get something like this with a tank on it, but for color. That way you can produce a whole bunch of them at a time. That's a good thing to have. We actually have the HP tank one upstairs, just in case we we're walking around the house and somebody orders. We'll just do it anywhere. All right, it's easy. It's that easy. Wild stuff, fun stuff, beautiful stuff. All right, continue the healing. Love you guys.